Hello guys, today in my video I will show you how can we create a lead in Zoho CRM using Zoho Creator form. So let's get started. Here I have created a form in Zoho Creator. Whenever we submit this form, a new lead has been created in our Zoho CRM leads module. For that we have to create a Deluge script. So let's get started. For that, first of all we have to go into workflow and create a workflow. Whenever we submit this form, a new lead has been created in our Zoho Creator form. So I'm creating a workflow for that form. So on create, whenever we successfully submitted that form, I want a lead has been created in our Zoho CRM. So I am selecting the Deluge script for that. For creating a new lead in our Zoho CRM, there is an option inbuilt functionality that will create a lead in our Zoho CRM. For that, let me start. Zoho.crm.create lead. This function will help us to create a lead in our Zoho CRM module. And I want that lead has been created in lead module, so I have to enter a lead module name. So how we get that name? So first of all, you have to open your Zoho CRM and you have to just check the AP names for that. You have to go to settings and open APs. After that, in APs names, you will get all the modules name. So you can see I am selecting this API name leads into our function. And now I have to create a map. Map is just a JSON which we have to pass to create a lead. So let me create that one as well. So I want whenever a new lead has been created, so I want to enter these details in our lead module. First name, last name, email, phone number, company and lead status. So I have to map this field with my Zoho CRM leads module. This put function have to enter two parameters. The first parameter will be the Zoho CRM fields API names, and after that I have to pass the value what I have to submit on that lead module. So first I have to check the API name for my leads module. So I need the first name first of all. So let me get that name. So this is the API name of my CRM module, last name. I have to just copy this name and submit in my Deluge script, and I have to pass the value. The value will be, the last name will be on that lead, the new lead which I have created by Zoho Creator form. So in Zoho Creator Deluge, we have inbuilt function. When we type input dot, we get all the field names of our Zoho Creator form. So I have to select the last name. So I'm getting the lead name, and let me see. In lead name, I am getting two fields, first name and last name. So I have to get the first name and the last name for that. So I have to also, again have to select the last name for that. So you have to just copy the fields again and again, have to map that one by one. So now I need first name. This is my first name API name. I have to just replace with my another fields, and just like that I am just mapping all other fields. Now I need the email of my Zoho CRM. I have to just copy the field name of that Zoho CRM and replace in my Deluge script. So whenever you type input dot, you will get all that field. So I just see my Zoho Creator API field name, just like that. Now I need phone number, company and lead status. So just like that I have to just copy all that field names. So this is my, just like that I have to map two more fields, company and lead status. I just copy this field and just paste over here, and just like that I have to copy the lead status. So this is my lead status, and just I replace here, and I have to map with my creator fields. So input.company and input.lead status. So I have to just copy this map and replace in my function. And after that, I have just to see my response that lead has been created in my CRM or not. So I'm just info this all function and save that functionality. So I'm getting an error. I'm getting an error that my connection for creating a lead in Zoho CRM is not accessible. So I have to create a connection first of all to create a new lead in our Zoho CRM module. For that, I have to just go back into my settings, and in settings you can see the microservices. Here you can create a connection. So I've already created my Zoho CRM connection. I have to just enable that connection for my this application. So you can see this is disabled. I just have to enable this connection for my application, just like that. Now I can go back to my Zoho script and save my function. Here you go. So let's get started. Here I come. I have to refresh first of all my form, and let's get started. So here I'm getting the response of my form submission. It say that I have created successfully a lead in my Zoho CRM module, and you can also see the response in our Zoho Creator reports. So let's go and check that a new lead has been created or not. So let me refresh my leads module. You can see that a new lead has been created in our Zoho CRM with all that details which I have entered: phone number, lead status, company name,